In the world of AI and programming, you may sometimes need to reinstall Python on your laptop. If you don't know how to do it, don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the entire process. Let's get started. First, open Chrome or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type Python and press Enter. From the results, click on the official website, python.org. Once the website opens, you'll see different sections like About, Documentation, Community, Success Stories, News, and Events. You can explore these later, but right now we are focused on installation. Go to the top of the page and click the Download button. The site will automatically show the latest version of Python. For your operating system, click on Download Python to start downloading the installer. After the download is complete, open the installer file. If Python is already installed on your system, you may see an option to update Python. If you're installing it for the first time, you'll see the option to install Python. Before clicking Install, make sure to check the option Add Python to Path. Then, click Install Python and wait for the setup to finish. This usually takes only a few moments. Once the installation is complete, Python will be successfully installed on your system. And that's it. You've successfully reinstalled Python on your laptop in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.